ready to get on the road to Charlotte to take the stuff down to Johnny. It's going to be another nice day. Shouldn't have any rain to worry about. I noticed the tulip poplar leaves that I had so diligently picked up with the vacuum cleaner yesterday are starting to cover the grass again. Pretty common for the tulip poplars to lose their leaves in August. Early leaf loss. Anyway, let me scoot because we got to get on the road. Can you see Stripe and Morris? They're kind of hid. I had to run to the garage real quick and I gave them a false start. But here I am with your breakfast. Yeah, here I am. Come on up, Morris. There you go. Hi, Morris. Good boy. Was that Marty that squeezed in front of Morris? It was. Okay. Hey, Stripey. You need any of this? There you go. There you go, bud. Good morning, Gray. Hi. There you go, sweet pea. Sorry, I won't be home most of the day today. I might come sit with you when I get home, okay? You a good girl? You a good girl. Well, I was shooting to leave at 9. We left at 9:30. It's good enough. ETA's 12:05, but we'll probably stop to use the restroom. We've never gone down there and not had to stop, especially in the morning.
Yeah.
I feel a little crippled. I plugged in where we're going on Google Maps on Don's phone, not because he doesn't know where we're going, but because if there's a traffic issue, we need Google to route us around it.
That's right.
That would be the main reason to want to know. So how's the load doing so far?
So far so good. I could see the shadow of the thing over here on there, and it wasn't flopping around. So as we were driving, so I am gonna, before we get up on the interstate, I am gonna pull over and just double check everything.
Okay, that nothing shifted in our start of our trip. Okay, yeah. Sounds good. And Don, you might remember, has his colonoscopy tomorrow, so he's on clear liquids today.
Yes.
It doesn't start any of the bad stuff until we get home, but that is why we got to turn around and, you know, we really should leave the apartment complex around 3 o'clock. We shouldn't, you know, it's 3 on the dot won't turn us into a pumpkin, but we should really be getting ready to leave by then. But if we're going to get there at 12, we got several things to do. Put the, that Johnny, I would like to help Johnny with before we leave. Reassemble the desk for the printer. Get the printer out of the box and set up. A curtain on the window, because that's a 2-person job with the command strips and holding the tape, and the extra fluff on the bed, the mattress topper thing that we have. I think the others, I don't think there's anything else that, but those things could really use a second person to handle them. So that's on the list to get done. And we had a spreadsheet with all the stuff we were supposed to bring, and everything that was on the spreadsheet is in the GMC.
Plus a couple extra things, like the dryer for the TPU.
Right, well, I did like we do with your honeydew lists. Yeah. I went and added it to the spreadsheet after I told you to go throw it in. Oh. So we still have a full inventory of what's in the GMC.
Yeah, well,
but yeah, we have one of these Sunlu brand dryers for, it's great for holding the TPU and getting it into the machine. So we don't use, the only time we used that was, we did it a little bit with my PETG, translucent PETG, because it said it was fussy, but mostly it was used for Johnny's TPU filament anyway. So, but it's a nice holder. You can feed the filament into the 3D printer from the dryer. Well, I've seen several Teslas in the last minute coming in the, you know, northbound in the other direction. Google's going to get us off earlier today than sooner and take the back road up to Siler City and get on 421 there. versus go down to Sanford, a little farther south to go north. It varies which way it tells us. That the bottom line is it's not significantly different, unless, you know, there's a traffic issue, which normally there wouldn't be out here in the middle of nowhere, and especially not on a Sunday. So that's all good. It's a little easier on us today having the one vehicle, because what I found out with Ruby is if you're traveling with a family member or another vehicle, and one's an ICE car without FSD, and then one's a Tesla with FSD, you basically got to let the FSD car pass. You're probably going to be the lead car in the Tesla. I tried to follow Dawn. I don't really care about being in front of Dawn, but in order to have FSD do its thing, you just kind of gotta get up front. That's just the way it worked.
Continue on Moncure Pittsburgh.
Yeah. We're passing the Jordan Lake Dam here on the right. A lot of people turn down this road here and go take pictures of eagles. There's really good fishing down there, and there's lots of eagles around Jordan Lake. And
there's a boat ramp.
Yeah, there's a boat ramp, and there's stuff down there. We've stopped in there before and done a video there on one of our trips somewhere, but a couple times we've been in there. Well, we stopped here at the I-85 Davidson County rest area since I didn't need to buy anything at Sheetz. No coffee, no water. We're good to go for now. Probably a little faster pulling in here. Not tons faster, but a little faster.
And plus, we haven't been here but once or twice before.
Right. It's a nice rest area.
Yeah.
Well, as far as we know, we made it here in one piece. There they are, coming down. I'll let Johnny make as many trips as he wants, and then I'll make a few trips. One of us needs to stay with the truck. One of Johnny's friends came to help. We're all unloaded. It went pretty quick. So here's the Bamboo P1S. It's the same size plate as ours, right?
Oh, yes, everything's the same.
Yeah, this is smaller, and the camera's not as good.
Right.
And maybe a couple of other things. But anyway, the desk from Guardian Angel's here. Don's got the printer installed. He says it's running calibration. Yeah. Several of the robotics teammates here have printers in their closet, so now Johnny fits right in.
Yeah.
And Don did install the anti-vibration feet.
Yeah.
This printer came with it. We had not ever put it on ours. Didn't end up needing it. So anyway.
Yeah.
Look, there you are. It looks good.
It does. I'm liking it.
So
we're gonna finish the Wi-Fi.
We're gonna start Benchy.
No, probably not. I mean, it's we got to put. He's got to do the Wi-Fi and all those other things. But yeah, I mean, we probably it's just this. There's more to do.
Okay. After we left last week, Johnny ended up needing to swap the bed to the other wall. But we've had everything off today. And this, well, you can't see it, but just trust me, there's a pillow topper to end all pillow toppers down there that should make this comfortable, and we've totally remade the bed. We have lights installed. We have the curtain rod brackets put up. And the curtain rods, the curtain's the right side, the rod's the right size. It's ready to go up when the command strips are set. And then, let me see if I remember how to turn this off. Going to be able to see the curio cabinet with the light on. It would have blinded the camera, so I turned it off. But anyway, Johnny has some of the combat robotics stuff in here, and their poker chip case up top, and some of the 3D printed things we have done at the house until more robot stuff goes in, and it fit there perfect. And Mom is totally stoked, and Johnny's over here, and we're all a little hot. We've been working hard though, but so it's going good. You feeling like you're set up and things are? Yeah, I think it's gone. I think we've almost accomplished everything we wanted to accomplish today. Now it looks like Johnny's room again. We've got 2 of the posters up. One of the poster frames actually bit the dust last year, fell off the wall, big catastrophe, pieces broke, and I didn't have time to replace it. So there's one more poster, which will probably go in this corner, but not today. And we have Benchy printing. Yay! So the new printer is on the Wi-Fi, is all set up, and it's printing! Yay! You can see that the The desk worked out really nice. This was one sturdy piece of glass, and those legs ain't gonna collapse. Those are some solid metal legs. Well, I know I took several pictures as we were leaving. I don't know if I shot a video when we were leaving, and then I proceeded to fall asleep pretty quickly after we got onto I-85 and we're headed down the road. So we're about 40 minutes and 33 miles from the house now, making good time. It's currently 6 p.m. We're home and everybody's happy to see us, right? Yeah, good girl, good girl.